Hi friends! Today's quiz is about the Earth and volcanoes. Are you ready? Were the pointy rocks hanging from a cave ceiling carved and stuck there by someone? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Those rocks grew bit by bit as water dripped from the ceiling for a very long time. Can a tiny water drop wear a hole in hard rock if it drips on the same spot for ages? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Even a tiny drop falling on the same spot for a very long time slowly carves a hole in hard rock. Can the mark of a seashell from long ago be found on rocks at a high mountaintop? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Old seafloor slowly rose up to become a mountain, so shell marks can be found high on the peak. Are the black coal and oil we burn just rocks that formed on their own underground? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Coal and oil come from plants and creatures of long ago that got buried and changed over ages. Do trees grow thick everywhere on a mountain, from the bottom all the way to the top? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Way up high it's too cold and windy for trees, so the very top has no trees. If you dig deep, deep down, does it get hot enough to melt even hard rock? Is it O or X? The answer is O. The ground gets hotter the deeper you go, and way down it's hot enough to melt rock. In one handful of clean-looking soil, do more tiny living things live than all the people in the world? Is it O or X? The answer is O. A handful of soil holds so many tiny living things that they outnumber all the people on Earth. Is a high mountaintop warmer than the bottom because it's closer to the sun? Is it O or X? The answer is X. The higher you go, the colder it gets, so a mountaintop is much colder than the bottom. Can a gently flowing river carve hard rock into a deep canyon over a very long time? Is it O or X? The answer is O. Over ages, a river slowly cuts away rock and can carve out a very deep canyon. Is hard rock unbreakable, staying the same shape forever? Is it O or X? The answer is X. Even hard rock slowly breaks down over a long time and can turn into tiny sand. You did great today. See you next time. Bye.